everyone, welcome to my channel. So I started off by prepping the lids with MAC Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre. And now I am going in with a mixture of Dinair Glamour shade Latte with Dinair Glamour shade Charcoal. And I'm just applying that to the transition crease area like so. Okay, then I'm going to create a little bit more shape in the outer V just by laying the stencil down like so. And then just filling in the transition crease area. Next, I'm going to be taking a mixture of Dinair Glamour shade Jet Black and Dinair Glamour shade Latte, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to the outer corner, outer V, and lay down kind of like an outline of where I want the depth to be. And I'm going to drag that into the natural crease of my lid, so the natural fold. As you can see, I'm applying more of the shade toward the outer corner of the crease, and then I'm going to go ahead and feather it in toward the inner corner. So this is going to take a little bit of time to go ahead and build it up. Of course, when working with deeper shades, you definitely want to take your time and build up to the desired depth, like so. Okay, next I'm going to be filling in the lid, and for that I am using Dinair Opalescent shade Phantom and Enchanted mixed together and applying that all over the lid like so. As you can see, I'm building up the shade and then making sure to use the air to dry. So when working with the opalescent shades, as you're building them, make sure that you are using the air to dry. And then I'm just taking this from the lash line up toward the crease area where we applied that deeper shade, not covering it all the way, just creating a nice gradient. From the inner corner up to the crease to the outer corner, blending it into the outer corner there, not following through it. Okay, and then I'm making the center of the lid pop by using Dinair Opalescent shade Enchanted mixed with Glamour shade Black Charcoal. And just applying it on the center and using the air to dry. Okay, now that I'm just going to go ahead and sit with my eyes closed to make sure nothing creases and everything dries fully. And then, of course, to deepen the outer corner, because I felt like it needed a little more depth, I'm just taking Dinair Glamour shade Jet Black and applying it to the outer corner, outer V. Just a soft blend, just for that added dimension. And then adding just a touch on the inner corner of the crease. Next, I'm going in on the lower lash line and I'm applying a mixture of Dinair Glamour shade Latte and Black Charcoal and just applying it to the lower lash line like so. And now I'm going to go ahead and highlight the brow bone and the tear duct using Dinair Glamour shade Latte. Okay, and once I'm done highlighting the tear duct, I'm going to take this to the inner corner of the lower lash line as well. Now it's time to add some sparkle to the tear duct. So here I'm just taking Dinair Opalescent shade Enchanted and just applying it to the tear duct like so. And now it's time for a liner, so here I'm using Dinair Glamour shade Jet Black and the Cat Eye End stencil. We're going to go for a wing this time, so I'm adding the wing on the end. Okay, and then I am adding that haze on the outer corner of the lower lash line like so. Okay, and then now because I want a little bit more depth, I'm just taking the residual Jet Black and applying it to the outer corner, blending it into the crease. And then to complete this look, I just applied mascara and false lashes, and this is the finished look. I absolutely love how it turned out. It's so classic, smoky. I mean, just perfect. Super easy to achieve as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next one.